Hi guys, my name is Seetu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I do Seetu because no one can do you better than you. So in today's video, the topic is that how you can get up early. So I am a 20-year-old and the worst part is that I am such a binge watcher that I always end up sleeping late at night and fucking up my sleep schedule. So the best thing that I have learned when I was in 11th and 12th standard, because I was suffering from acute migraine and I had to sleep and I had to wake up early to maintain my health, I learned a few tips, and since then I have been transformed into a morning person. Although I'm not regular with it, but yes, if today someone says me that you have to get up at 5 a.m, I can, because I know certain things that I can do that will make me wake up at time, and today I'm going to share them, and they are basically all the jugards that I use, and I hope that they help you. So without any further ado, let's start. First thing we need to talk about is coffee or tea or any caffeine beverages. If you drink coffee before going to sleep or you drink tea in the evening, 5 घंटे पहले सोने से nothing, because if you do that you're not going to sleep at time. So make sure if you're addicted to tea or coffee, you do it first thing in the morning and not in the evening or at night, because it will fuck up your sleep schedule. And the second most important thing which I have taught myself is to brainwash my own माइंड. अपने खुद के दिमाग को आपको ऐसे प्रिटेंड करवाना है कि एवरीथिंग इज नॉर्मल एंड नथिंग इज चेंजिंग. हाउ यू कैन डू दैट इज दैट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू हैव द हैबिट ऑफ स्क्रोलिंग इंस्टाग्राम for like 2 or 3 hours before going to bed. So make sure that if you want to sleep at 10 a.m, then you are done with your dinner at 7 and on your bed and start doing whatever shit you want to do, so that at 10 your brain is tired after that 3 hours of whatever you do and you just sleep at 10. The third most important thing if you want to wake up early is do something you love in the morning. That is so essential. Oh my god, I can't even get started with it. For example, I'm not a workout person. I cannot work out, and if I think that okay, I'm going to wake up early and work out, I'm never going to do, because my body hates it, my mind hates it, and if I push myself ki okay, I'll do that, then not happening. Why? Because you have to do something you absolutely love, otherwise it's not possible. So if you love working out, then do that. For me, I love reading, and I tell myself again, the brainwashing part, that if you don't get up early you won't read, and then you won't read for the entire day because you're busy. So do the thing in the morning which you want to do, which you love, not which anybody else expects you to do, or you want to do what you hate it. So that's how it works. You have to brainwash your brain. खुद को brainwash करना पड़ेगा, and you have to pretend that you are doing nothing different. Then only it can happen. As shitty as it sounds, as I'm making my second YouTube video, I'm speaking this, but this is what genuinely has helped me to transform myself into a morning person. And the fourth important tip that I want to give you is The 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. This book is essential. Why? Because some people just don't realize the importance of waking up. So I genuinely feel that if you have watched this video up till this moment, you are genuinely interested. And guys, if you have not read this book, then please do. Why? Because this book will tell you how important it is, and it has so many practical time management, morning routine, night routine ideas, and so much else related to life, that it will help you and it will give you the right kind of motivation that you need to bring that change into your life. So I would totally recommend this book. The other thing is that many people feel is that they wake up early but they are tired, and that is so relatable, because that's the thing with me. I cannot do anything when I wake up. So what I do is I just wake up, wash my face, sit, relax, stare at the sky. Make sure if you wake up early, watch the sun, watch the sky. It will make you feel so much calm, and also you will want to wake up early to experience that again. That's what you need to do. Also, if you have any side hustle, side gig, side project going on, and you are really passionate about it and you don't have time to do it, then you can actually utilize that time, so that you know that if you wake up early, something positive is going to come out of it. Make sure you do that. But on the other hand, if you just want to have your me time, then have that, because everyone is different. I cannot sit here and just say one thing which is going to apply to everyone. I cannot do that. So make sure what kind of a person you are, how your brain works, and make something, make a story, make a narrative, tell it to your brain and it will understand it, and that's how only you can make. I hope you guys found that video helpful, and if you did, please press the subscribe button, bell icon, like this video, share this video, and please comment down below what you think about it, and stay in touch. And I will be bringing a lot of bookish content, self-growth content, and even fun challenge videos to you guys, because this YouTube thing is very new to me and I'm still trying to figure it out. So I haven't still, and I'm trying to make genuine videos. So I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.